Imagine waking up every day with more energy, clearer focus, and a healthier body. But what if I told you the secret to unlocking all of this could be found in a simple, yet incredibly powerful food that has been a staple in households worldwide for centuries? You guessed it, it's eggs. In today's video, we'll dive into how eating just 2 eggs a day can work wonders for your body, mind, and overall well-being. Hello and welcome to The Healthy Path. Today we are going to explore the amazing benefits of eggs, especially how eating just 2 eggs a day can lead to dramatic changes in your health. But remember, this is not just about nutrition. It is about empowering you to take control of your health. In this video, I'm going to explain how eating 2 eggs daily can boost your energy, sharpen your focus, improve your heart health, and protect your vision, among many other benefits. And along the way, we'll debunk common myths about eggs and explore the hidden risks some people might not be aware of. Before we get started, I'd love to hear from you. Have you eaten eggs today? Or maybe you have some thoughts or questions about this topic? Please drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on more health tips like this one. Overview of eggs as a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs are often referred to as nature's perfect food, and for good reason. Packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, eggs are a complete source of nutrition that can fuel your body in ways few other foods can. Let's break down what makes eggs such a powerful food. Protein. Power. Each egg provides about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is essential for tissue repair, muscle growth, and maintaining bodily functions. This protein is complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. Vitamins. Eggs are an incredible source of vitamins, especially vitamins A, D, E, and B12. Vitamin A is vital for vision and immunity. Vitamin D supports bone health. Vitamin B12 provides energy, and vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells. Minerals and omega-3 fatty acids. In addition to vitamins, eggs are rich in selenium and phosphorus. Selenium supports the immune system, and phosphorus strengthens bones and teeth. Eggs also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health and cognitive function, boosting energy and mental clarity. Imagine waking up and feeling fully energized with mental clarity that lasts all day. Eggs can help you achieve this. The protein and healthy fats in eggs help stabilize blood sugar, preventing those mid-morning slumps and energy crashes. The B vitamins in eggs also support cognitive function, so you can stay focused and sharp throughout your day. Weight management. Eggs can be a fantastic ally in weight management. Due to their high protein content, eggs can help you feel fuller longer, reducing cravings and the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day than those who opt for other breakfast choices like cereal or toast. Eye health. Eggs are a powerful ally for your eyes. The yolk contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light, which is emitted by screens and sunlight. These antioxidants accumulate in the retina and help prevent macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Plus, the vitamin A in eggs supports your overall eye health. Boiled eggs. One of the healthiest ways to prepare eggs is by boiling them. Boiling preserves most of the nutrients, especially in the yolk, without adding any extra fat. It's easy, mess-free, and perfect for breakfast or snacking throughout the day. Poached eggs. Poaching eggs is another excellent method. This technique keeps the yolk soft, preserving heat-sensitive nutrients like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for eye health. Poached eggs are light, tasty, and pair wonderfully with whole grain bread or fresh salads. Scrambled eggs. If you prefer scrambled eggs, try using a little olive oil instead of butter. This keeps the meal healthier, and you can even add vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or mushrooms for an extra nutrient boost. Overcooking eggs. While eggs are incredibly nutritious, overcooking them can destroy some of their vital nutrients. Lutein and zeaxanthin, important for eye health, are heat-sensitive and can be diminished if eggs are overcooked. Aim for soft yolks when boiling, poaching, or frying eggs to preserve their full nutritional value. Checking freshness. It's important to check your eggs for freshness before using them. Old eggs may not only taste bad, but also pose a health risk. To test an egg's freshness, place it in a bowl of water. Fresh eggs will sink to the bottom, while older eggs will float. Avoiding cross-contamination. Eggshells can carry harmful bacteria like salmonella. Always wash your hands after handling eggs and make sure your eggs are clean before cracking them open. Chia seeds. If you have an egg allergy or are following a plant-based diet, chia seeds can be a great alternative for baking. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit to form a gel. This can replace eggs in many baked goods. Mashed bananas and applesauce. For sweet recipes, mashed bananas or unsweetened applesauce can substitute for eggs. This works particularly well in cookies, cakes, and muffins. Tofu and legumes. Tofu, chickpeas, and lentils are protein-rich alternatives that can be used in savory recipes to replace eggs without compromising nutrition. So, there you have it. Eating 2 eggs a day can provide your body with a host of benefits, from boosting energy to improving eye health, weight management, and even supporting muscle strength as you age. Remember, eggs are not only delicious and affordable, but they're also one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. How do you like to prepare your eggs? Do you have a favorite egg-based dish? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more health tips and insights. Thank you for watching The Healthy Path. I look forward to helping you on your health journey. Until next time, stay healthy and keep following the path to wellness.